Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your QCY MeloBuds Pro are not charging. At the bottom of each earbud we have charging contacts. Right here, these silver lines, this one is charging contact, so make sure that you haven't foil at the charging contact, especially if you buy new earbuds, remove the foil. Now, if you know that there is no foil, next step is to clean these charging contacts. So, if you have isopropyl alcohol, you can apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts at your earbuds, also in the charging case, and clean earbuds, these charging contacts with a brush, or if you have a clean tool, you can also use toothbrush and ear stick for the charging contacts in the charging case. After you clean them and it didn't help you, so I recommended to check your cable, your adapter, maybe you need to replace them, and also check the charging port. At the bottom of the charging case we have charging port, check is everything okay with this port. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!